Hey everybody, my name is Brandon Shockley. I am a senior technology entrepreneurship and management student at Arizona State University. I'll be graduating this December. I'm working with three other people, Ryan, Lisa, and Candace, on a sustainability project for SOS110 with the topic being biofuels and land use change. Um, I currently live in Maricopa, Arizona. It's about 25, 35 miles south of the Arizona State University campus.
Hello, my name is Lisa Krewald, and this is my introduction video. And I'm in a group with three other people, Ryan, Brandon, and Candace. And the topic that we chose for this assignment in this class is biofuels and land use. So to let everyone know where we're all working from, I am located in a small mountain town called North Bend in Washington State, and that's about 30 miles east of Seattle.
Hello, my name is Candace Robitoy, and I am taking this class from Tempe, Arizona. I am actually located pretty close to Arizona State University's main Tempe campus. However, due to my work schedule, I am unable to take classes on campus, so I have chosen to do the online track instead.
Hi, I'm Ryan Newton. I'm an engineering management major in the Ira Fulton School of Engineering at Arizona State University. I am from Valencia, California, which is in Los Angeles County, very close to San Fernando Valley.
The group decided on the team name Green Day, but I would like it to be known for the record that I threw out the name Team Planet, as in Go Team Planet, a la Captain Planet, circa early 90s.
I am in a group with Lisa, Brandon, and Ryan, and we are Team Green Day.
And our team name is Green Day, so it's kind of a fitting team name for the sustainability class.
Before we get into the group definition of sustainability, we'd all like to share our individual definitions.
So, sustainability can be defined as the ability to continue a defined behavior indefinitely. And to me personally, sustainability is the balance between meeting the needs of our society and the demands of our society with the effects that those needs and those processes have on the environment around us.
Sustainability to me is a required class, but for my major, engineering management. But more than being just a required class, it's very core to my beliefs and one of the fundamental principles and the reasons why that I joined into engineering in the first place is to make the world a more sustainable place.
When I think of sustainability, whether it's sustainability in business practices or sustainability in environmental policy or sustainability in economics, it really boils down to kind of one core concept for me, and that's a temporal sustainability. So what I do will affect what the future is able to do, and I would like to affect that in a positive or neutral way. So that's what sustainability is to me. It basically allows me to continue doing whatever it is that I'm doing well into the future, and it allows generations in the future to continue doing what I did, whether they build upon it or not. So really, it's a system designed to solve a problem that doesn't impact or cause problems in the future.
According to the International Panel for Climate Change, the sustainability would be the interactions and potential conflicts between economic development and the environment. A development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs would, in effect, be sustainable environment.
We haven't decided on a group definition for sustainability yet, but I personally define sustainability as a way of living and making sure that you're only using what you need, which means that there's more for others and less waste. And I take this to go for anything such as natural resources, money, and even time.
I chose the topic of biofuels and land use change as I am interested in not only learning about alternative forms of energy, but potentially making a career in the industry of alternative energy.
I chose biofuels because I want to work with biofuels in the future. I want to make biofuel um, a leading source of energy and a great renewable source of energy. However, at this point, I believe that much biofuel production is not sustainable and is not being sustainably done. Search
I feel that this is one of our more urgent needs or urgent problems that we face as a human race, not only because our current processes and sources of energy are so harmful to the environment, but also because those sources of energy are extremely limited. We will eventually run out, and we need to have an alternative source of energy that still maintains the environment.
And time. Our research topic again is biofuels and land use, and I picked this topic. It was my second choice, but I picked it because I understand that there's a need for other fuel sources besides fossil fuels, and I wanted to know more about the negative impacts of switching to biofuels because a lot of people, I think, have this general concept that biofuels come from plants and it's natural and therefore it should be much better, but there has to be some sort of give and take with that. And I've found that it's been really interesting to learn that some of those impacts are that farmland that was used previously to grow food crops for human consumption and for livestock are being changed out for these fuel crops, so corn, sugarcane, and soybeans, and that other natural land areas, such as grasslands or forests, are also being destroyed to make room for these fuel crops.
The idea behind land use change is that when you burn down or convert 100 acres of forest or grasslands and use it for a different purpose, then those forest or grasslands are gonna basically not be able to, number one, convert carbon dioxide into oxygen anymore, but also that their organic matter itself is now going to either be composted or burnt and release more greenhouse gases into the environment. So in order for biofuels to be sustainable, they need to produce less emissions enough than fossil fuels, enough that they also make up for the indirect land use change that comes from expanding agricultural farms and things like that, and taking over land that was previously for forested or for the grasslands.
Our team, since we are all located in different places, we will be continuously communicating via webcam, weekly webcam meetings. We've exchanged cell phone numbers and emails. We've already taken advantage of GChat to communicate. And we'll be submitting our work through Google Docs or a Dropbox so that we can all work together and collaborate as one.
Regarding my group's strategy is to complete this assignment, we will be communicating with one another via email, Google Hangouts, and using Dropbox for document sharing. And we've also given our numbers to each other as well, just in case that's necessary. We've even arranged for a time to get together via video chat to touch base. And while some of us started to use the Blackboard's discussion board to communicate, we all found that it was easier for us to use email or Hangouts. It's probably because you get a notification when you get a new email or a new message. So that's how we will be communicating with each other. And I'm looking forward to working with this group. So far, everybody seems to have a lot of ideas on how to get through this project, and we've had a pretty easy time thus far separating everything out to make sure that everyone's doing a part of the work. So looking forward to learning more about our topic and coming up with solutions for the future.
I look forward to working with everybody in my group and to everything that we're going to learn throughout this semester.